Hi everyone, it's Christina at eXp Realty. Are you looking for a brand new home, new build, new construction home in Sarasota, Florida? If so, you're here at the right place. I'm here in Sarasota in front of a brand new model home built by NEAL Communities, and it's a Grant Park community here in Sarasota, Florida. It's priced anywhere from $700,000 to $1.1 million. So let's come take a look inside. So here we are. Check out this beautiful home. This is the Kiowa floor plan. Okay, beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bath home with 3-car garage and pool and spa. It's about 2,900 square feet. Beautiful open, spacious floor plan with a beautiful kitchen. So you can see it's got the quartz countertops, beautiful subway tile black splash, and beautiful flooring, as you can see. So this one is priced between $1 million to $1.2 million. Again, it's got 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 3-car garage. Let's check out some of the other rooms. And here's the master bathroom. Huge, spacious master bathroom with dual vanities. Again, amazing flooring, that awesome tub. So you got a combination bathtub and shower with beautiful shower surrounds, as you can see. And a huge walk-in closet. His and hers walk-in closets, huge. And here's the amazing backyard. Their oasis backyard, private oasis, paradise backyard with your pool, spa, overlooking that beautiful lake right there. Beautiful flooring. You got your built-in barbecue right here. So it's perfect for entertaining guests. How would you like to live in this gorgeous paradise oasis here with your pool and spa overlooking the lake? So if you know anybody, if you or anyone you know is interested in buying a home here in Sarasota, Florida, or surrounding areas, I could love to help you. So please call me, contact me at the information below, and I'd love to help you out. And until next time, take care and make it a great day.